If you are up and ready, do well to comment, drop a comment in the comment section. If you are joining us live now, drop a comment in the comment section. If you are joining us live now, drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know where you're calling from. Okay. Let me know where you're calling from. Okay, I can see Stanley. Stanley said, "Good evening, Tunmise." Okay, from Elisha or State. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right. All right. How many other persons are on the call on the session? You can always let us know in the comment section. You can always let us know in the comment section. All right. Okay, so you can also share with your friends. For those who have joined us, you can also share with your friends, tag them, share this video with them, let them come and join this learning session. Okay, so interestingly, we would be analyzing the Euro USD market. Okay, first time on the live, you're welcome. You're welcome. All right. So here we want to analyze the price movement and use historical price movement to determine future price movement. From what we can see here, we know that the market has been on a general downtrend on the Euro USD, and here we can see mapping out levels of support and resistance, where we anticipate that, okay, if price gets to, there will be a turnaround and the likes. Also here is a level of support, went up, came down, went up, and then it was broken here. The support was broken, it went down, but could not sustain longer, and then starts pulling back up. Okay, and pulls back up above the support level now. Okay, because initially what could have happened is the support level here must have turned to a resistance zone, an easy way for the price to break through this, just this resistance zone, this supposed resistance zone. Okay, we broke through it and currently here. All right, so don't forget, this is the monthly time frame. We are taking a top to bottom approach in order for us to understand price movement, where price is coming from, where price is going to, where would most likely stay, and the likes like that. So let's go to the weekly time frame. Okay, so here on the weekly time frame, we can see we have okay, good. So we can see here on the weekly time frame that price, you know, created like a descending triangle, okay, and broke downward, came here, and then we can see a consolidation from the weekly time frame. What we can see is a consolidation, price consolidating, in the midst of this triangle. Is good. You can see price consolidating around this level. Okay, now this is giving us an insight to understand that this support level here, this resistance level here is a key and significant level to watch. Then this support level here is a key and significant level to watch as well. Alright, so we're watching this level and we're watching this level. Okay, so take a zoom in. We want to look at price movement, because in as much as we are paying attention to historical prices from like 52 weeks ago, 20 weeks ago, 100 weeks ago, we are also interested in the current periods. Alright, what has price been doing in recent times? So because from what we can see here now, we can see that from 2021 May, price has been on a downward trend, and up until October, before price started picking up. And we can see that price picked up and broke back through the support level. Okay, broke back through the support level, came up here, came down here, and now price ranged at this level. Okay, price ranged at this level and currently on its way up. Okay, so now it's now a question of price breaking out from this support level, yeah, and easily breaking back into this support level, and currently on the support level, but with a bullish momentum. So let's take a closer look as to what the candlestick looks like within those time frames, within the 1 week time frame. So we zoom in. Okay, let me take this off. So if you look at this very closely, you will discover that after price broke into this region and went up, okay, then price came down to the support level again. Now you see the momentum build up at this level, the bullish momentum build up at this level. So what does this candlestick means? All right, so this candlestick is what we call the bullish pin bar. Okay, the bullish pin bar, because you will see that the wick is twice the length of the head. Okay, the wick is twice the length of the head. So it's showing us that there is a buy pressure. Okay, it's showing us that there is a buy pressure, a significant buy pressure happening here. Okay, and that is a very important place to watch. So when you look at it now, we can see the wicks to the upside, to the downside. You can see the wicks here. Now that's showing a buy pressure. Don't forget that the support zone is also known as the demand zone. These are zones whereby there are a lot of buy orders and price is being pushed up by what? By buyers. Okay, price is being pushed up by the demand from the buyers. And then we can see that price, the momentum, started going up. The momentum started going up from what we can see. So here's the catch. What do we expect price to do after this bullish signal that we're receiving here? 2 weeks to the top, then one fully bodied candle, alright, which we're expecting will be closing this week. Alright, it's going to be very significant. Closing this week. If we close this week as a bullish candle, then we're expecting further momentum in price, because definitely investors are looking at this level. Other traders, institutional traders, are also looking at this level. So you want to always see what they see. You don't want to feel. Oh, I feel this is going to go down. If you don't feel when it comes to the market, you have to act logically, all right, based on what you see, what you see from the market. Okay, so we go to the daily time frame. Now, more reason why we are using this multiple time frame analysis is because it is very, very important. It helps you to to gain that insight into what the market looks like from a broader perspective, right, into smaller stuffs. Okay, it helps you to see the market from a broader perspective into smaller stuffs. So you look at this now. This is what the daily time frame. Interestingly, you can see that it shows what actually happened on the daily time frame from the breakout, to this consolidation right here at the support level. Okay, and definitely we can see that price came down to the support level, did not break through, went up, came down, rallied a bit, and could not break through. And now you can see what's currently happening. We had bullish momentum coming in to push up price. So it's a question of, as a trader, what would you pay attention to here? So as a trader, I want to observe these levels. Okay? I want to observe this level. Okay? So I want to see what price will do when it gets here. I know definitely that this momentum might not just continue, like, okay, it just keeps going and breaks out of this place. So it either, when it gets here, it rallies, okay, before breaking out, okay, or it comes down to this level, rallies, and then goes up. Another scenario, all things being equal, is that it might even come down here, rally a bit, and still come down. That's if all things being equal. So all things being equal, this is what we might see. 1, 2. But all things not being equal, we might see it go down and then fall further. Alright? So what we have here is is that we might just be expecting what price will do just at this level. What would price do at this level? Rally a bit and then push up, or rally a bit, or go down, rally a bit and keep falling. These are the possible scenarios that might happen. These are the possible scenarios that might happen. Are you following? Let me know in the comment section. Type I am following. If you are following, type I am following. If you are following, type I am following. I am following. I am following. If you are following, type I am following. If you are following, type I am following. Type I am following. Okay, I can see. Let me know. I'm yet to see. Okay, I can see Stanley. Stanley has said he's following. Who else again? Awesome. So let's go further to the 4 hours, the hourly time frame. Good. So now the hourly time frame now is giving us a more clearer picture. Because what we actually need before coming to a conclusion is to see clearer pictures. Okay? And the pictures will become more clearer when you are coming from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. It's more or less like you are far away from an object. Okay? That's like you are at a higher time frame and you are looking down. Okay? The object might be on the ground with a lot of details, but you won't see the details while you are up above. Also, it is also interesting that when you are up above, you are also able to spot opportunities. Okay? And then when you now come closer, you are able to see clearly how best to approach these opportunities, if it is an opportunity indeed. So when you come from a bird's eye view and come closer using the top to bottom approach, higher time frame to the lower time frame, you are able to see clearly and know that, okay, this is the right step to take. I should sell, I should buy, or I should hold, or I should do nothing. All right, I should wait. So you look at this now. Look at what price is doing here. There's still some rejection. At that level, I mapped and said I was going to watch. Can you see that? That's also telling us that this level is like a minor support, a minor resistance zone. Okay? Why is it acting as a minor resistance zone? Because there was price footprint. Price footprint had been created here, and we can clearly see that price was rejected here. Okay, price went up here, created a footprint, and was rejected. So it would not just be easy to see price just going and breaking through this same level and just keep going. Okay, there would be some kind of constraint, because of the sellers that would also be looking at this region as a point to sell off, to offload. Okay, that's it. So here is the thing. So now we want to now look at what price will do at this region. Like I said, price might just rally a bit and then go up, and again price might come down here, okay, rally a bit and then go up, and then price might just keep going down. Okay, price might just keep going down. Okay, and that's why it is very, very important, very important that you run your analysis. So if you look closely at what is currently happening here, you will discover that, okay, see how price has been moving on the 1 hour time frame. So price came here now and formed what? A bullish wedge flag. So I call it a bullish wedge flag. A bullish wedge flag. Let me get this shape together. I want to show you the bullish wedge flag. Good. So this is a bullish wedge flag, yeah? So from this now, a bullish wedge flag is more like an indication that price is still going to go up. Price is still going to go up. Alright? So from what I see here now, I'm expecting price to kick off here. Expecting price to break out here and rally around here a bit and then break out of this resistance, minor resistance zone. Okay, this is what I'm expecting price to do for this bullish wedge flag indicate it's an indicator. Okay, so this is like more like our confluence now to say, okay, we are having a bullish wedge flag at a resistance zone, so this is my expectation for the market. Alright, good. So let's do another currency. If you have any other currency you want me to analyze right now, drop it in the comment section. I'm waiting to hear from you. If you have any currency you want me to analyze, drop it in the comment section. I'm waiting to hear from you. Alright, so while we are waiting for you to come up with your comment that you're following, there is an opportunity that OctaFX are bring to each and every one of you watching this program. The offer is to help you take over this, I call it a woof. Alright, it's an awoof offer. So double your deposit using the promo code Tunmise 100. To apply the promo code, scan the QR code or follow the link in the video description. Alright, double your deposit. This is very, very important. Double your deposit. double your deposit. Also use the promo code to double your deposit. Tunmise 100, TUNMISE, then 100. It's very important. You can also scan the promo code and take advantage of this opportunity. Most importantly, this promo code ends on the 21st of May 2023. So this is an opportunity for you to seize this before the 31st of May 2023. Opportunity to double your what? Your deposit. Okay, so yeah, if you want, what do you want us to analyze now? What do you want us to analyze? Okay, someone said GBP USD. GBP USD. Okay. Okay. So yeah, this is GBP USD, and on letting you see that we've been in a downtrend for a while now, and mapping out levels of support and levels of resistance. You know, we are seeing that the GBP move is quite similar to that of the USD, Euro USD. All right, we are seeing that so clearly that in the monthly time frame here, we can see clearly that we are in a downtrend more like the Euro USD, and then we have a support level which price broke out from towards the downside, and then price came here and has been rallying for a while, which is rallying around a strong support level at 122,959, and yeah, then finally broke out by July, broke out of this trend, and then came back right now. Currently, we are back at our previous support level, which means our previous support turned resistance level. So here we have support on resistance level. So what do we expect for price? That's what price is doing here. And one thing I've always said, and I'll say again, is when price keeps rallying on a particular level, all right, if price keeps sticking so much to that level, there is a possibility that it will break out in the direction at which it is sticking on. So when you look at this point now, you will see price sticking towards the resistance level, right? There are higher chances that price will break out of this level. There are very, very higher chances that price will break out of this level. Okay, there are very, very higher chances that price will break out of this level. Okay, very, very higher chances that price will break out of this level. So but let's go to the lower time frame. So here we have, you can see on the lower time frame, see what I'm saying? We can see how price is reacting at this level. Okay, so we can see that price keeps sticking to this level. Keep sticking to this level. Now I tell you that there are greater chances, higher probability that price will finally break out of this level rather than the downward part. Alright, there are higher chances that price will go up than it will go down. Alright, there are higher chances that price will go up than it will go down here. Yes, there are higher chances that price will go up and it will not go down. So, so because if you look at it now, price is, lingering around this support level. Okay, price is lingering around this support level. So let's go down to the daily time frame. From what you can see on the daily time frame, excuse me. From what you can see on the daily time frame, it's clear that we are having a bullish momentum coming in, price going up, and all. So here we are anticipating a breakout from this level, We can already see that we have our double bottom. Okay, so our double bottom. So it's one bottom, this is another bottom. Okay, and double bottom indicates that what? Price goes up, price goes up, price goes up. Okay, so it indicates that what? Price goes up. Sorry about that. Okay, double bottom indicates that what? Price goes up. And that's basically what we are anticipating here. Looking at it from the 4 hours perspective, we can see that price, it's at a very at the very edge of the support turned resistance. Support turned resistance zone. Okay, so you can see here now, price sticking around. So what we are seeing here is, if you look closely, we can see rejections coming in. So what we would look at after now is this level. Okay, this level. Alright, once price pops out of this level, then that's a bullish momentum in there. A sustained one that might continue for a while. Okay, a sustained one. As you can see here. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so what are the various confirmation criteria before we enter? Yeah, so the various confirmation criteria is for the for pounds USD now. You are watching this level, right? So you are waiting for, if price goes above this level and closes above this level, you buy. Okay, because this level here is the support level. All right, support 100 resistance level. So if price breaks back into the support zone fully, okay, so here we can see price already trying to break into it and is rallying. All right, so when there's a breakout out of this level here, okay, out of this level and it closes, then you can buy. All right, you can buy. Same applies to the euro USD. Okay, same applies to euro USD. So these are the levels that I'm watching, and you can also watch it also. Any other question? Any other question? Any other question? Any other question? Sure. You would always get the record session on our channel. All right. You can always, once the session is over, you can always come back, to watch it and get insight as well. All right. So you miss the Euro USD session, and I'm sure you've gotten one or two things value from the pounds USD session. Okay. Okay, somebody wants us to take a look at gold. Let's look at gold. Okay. All right, let's take a look at gold on the 1 month. All right, on the 1 month time frame. Okay, let me tell you one interesting thing about gold that you don't know. All right, one interesting thing about gold is that gold is a defensive commodity. Okay, gold is a defensive commodity. Gold is what investors use to hedge when the economy is in crisis. All right. Practically, if you look at the global economy, it is in shambles, it is in crisis, massive crisis. We are hearing about failing banks, global banks failing. We are hearing about a lot of global financial crisis, a lot of unfavorable macroeconomic environments, a lot of excess printing of the dollar, creating more increase in circulation, leading to inflation. We are having so many issues around. We are having the Ukraine-Russia war currently going on. We have a lot of economic wars as well between China and the US. And other major activities, in the financial system. All right. Now, yes, you are asking why is it going up. That is what I want to explain to you. Okay, so now there is a massive fundamental that always drives gold. Okay, so when these financial crises are happening, when the economic downturns, are happening, what happens? Investors seek for safe haven. Okay, safe haven in the sense that an asset that is going to preserve their wealth and not allow the economic circumstances to impact their wealth. So what they do is to invest more in gold. So gold thrives more in economic crisis. Okay, gold thrives more in economic crisis. If you look at this chart, okay, you will see that the chart started moving massively from 2019, 2020. It went massively up. We had a what is it called? Let me put we had a resistance zone here, but the resistance zone was striked out. So it was the period where COVID set in. Okay, COVID set in, and it it moved gold massively. We all remember that time when COVID set in, and the same towards those period was when Iran and US was having economic wars, and investors seek for safe haven. Okay, and now price went up. So if you look at it now, in recent time we've been having failing stocks, failing banks. This SBV bank that failed impacted other subsidiary, you know, uh, startups and companies that have invested and even bought into their bonds. All right. So now all these have failed. This is also creating panic in the market. All right. So there are potential bank runs that are already brewing up. So gold seems to be like the safe haven, and you can see what you can see on the chart is telling you now that investors are trusting the gold back, more. Another, you can see the bullish momentum is very heavy, very heavy. A lot of persons are seeking safety in gold, and just like you can see, it is back at the all-time high. Back at the almost the all-time high. As at the time, gold went to 2007 77. Yeah, 2077. That was more like the highest, okay, that gold had ever been to. You can see the highest in history, and you can see right now that it is back to that level. Gold is back to that level. So gold thrives more when there is financial crisis, economic crisis, global crisis, war, rumors of war, disasters. So gold is seen as a safe haven. You see, gold, the dollar, and the yen are seen as a safe haven. Okay, so when other things are failing, people trust the gold more. So here is it now. That's why we are seeing this massive momentum coming in on the gold. So you can see that the gold now is even back to the level of the all-time high that it got to in 2020. So more like saying that the scenarios that are happening now are, the human behavior, how humans behaved and responded was exactly the same to how they are responding even now. And that is why human behavior does not change. Okay, human behavior remains constant. All right, people would always react almost the same way. When people fear that they might lose their money in a bank, what happens? Everybody goes and starts withdrawing their money. Bank run. It has happened, it is happening, and it will keep happening. So humans respond almost the same way. And that is what we are seeing here. The 2020 COVID, you can see how price moved. Okay? And other, crises that have been around, inflation, unemployment rate and all that, have been sustaining the gold, up after above the breakout from 1565, and you can see what's currently happening now, because the gold is now being seen as a safe haven, which it is actually. So everybody running to safety. That's why the gold is pumping so massive. I want to believe I've answered your question, Omar. So the gold is pumping so massive because of the fundamentals driving it. Okay? Good. So you can see that here we have this base level is the support zone. This level is also the resistance zone. Yeah. So you can see that gold has been sustaining within this range. Okay. 2023 might be the year where gold will break out finally from this level and a new level will be set. Okay. 2023 will be the year where gold will break out finally from this level and a new level will be set. Not like I mean gold is up. It's obvious. We can both see that gold is up. Okay? So if it breaks out of this level now, we would continue to see it will set a new level, for gold. If gold breaks out of this level, it will set a new level. So it is reversing back this level, which was the resistance zone here, okay, and it will now act as a support zone to prevent price from falling back, and then we start seeing gold having a new high again. I believe you are clear now with the explanation. Let me know in the comment section. If you are clear now with the explanation, let me know in the comment section. Okay. Awesome. I also believe that you've gotten value. And then for those who want to go watch over again, you can always go and have to watch all over again to understand this better. Alright? So this is where the gold is currently. If you look at it on the weekly time frame, you then have more clarity, so you can see what I'm saying. Okay? You can see what I'm saying here. We have the bullish momentum, and then look at the week to the upside. So once we experience a breakout from this level, we might continue to see an upward movement in the price of gold for the time being. Then if you look at it from the daily time frame, you will see it's quite clear that the price of gold is reaching for the stars. Okay, so we might just say target price level might be here. Okay, depending on any current happening that might pressure, that might push investors to pump in more money into the gold, as a safe haven. All right. So before I round up, don't forget our promo code to double your deposit. Double your deposit and use the promo code Tunmise100. Tunmise100. Okay. Let me make it big for you. Tunmise100 to double your promo code. Tunmise100. Here is the promo code. Tunmise100. Double your promo code. I believe you've been able to learn one or two things which is very important. I also want to enjoin you to click on the subscribe button, tap on the notification bell, and be the first to be informed whenever we are having our next next webinar. Please, in our next webinar, please do well to inform your friend, do well to invite your friend, and let's learn together. Let's get this insight together. Also, let's get knowledge to make more money intelligently together. Thank you very much for joining. I look forward to seeing you same time, same place next week.